Hey guys, ever wondered how powerful the color grading panel of the camera roll is? In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this panel to create desired stylized color grading effect on your image. And on top of that, we'll be going through one or two adjustment layers in Photoshop to balance the whole things out and get a nice color graded image. This video is value packed, and with no further ado, let's get started. Come right here to the camera color grading panel. These are the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. So basically, the color grading panel divides the tonal range of the image into shadow, midtone, and highlights. It also has this other section here called global. Adjustment of the hue, saturation, and brightness here affects the overall image, like cuts across the whole tonal range. So first come here and adjust this to our taste. You can make your image warm, cold, or cyanic depending on the style you're going for. Let's just go for something that'll feel our skin tone here. So somewhere around here, make sure it's not too saturated. Then in the highlights, you can add a little bit of cyan to the highlight. This slider here affects the saturation. You can see the S here stands for saturation. So when it goes up and when it comes down, so just around 20 for the highlights for saturation, and 194 for the hue is good for now. We can come back and make other adjustment. So you come to the mid-tone and adjust to taste. If you understand the basic principles of color grading and you work with it, you can hardly get a bad color because you'll be working on some fundamental laws that gives pleasant effects to the eye. So mid-tone, we adjust the hue, and then the saturation. The shadows, you can see that the shadow here is kind of having purple in it, so we can just add some cyan to remove the excessive purple. Adjust. This is the before and this is the after. You can go from the color grading panel to your color mixer and adjust the red in the saturation and in the hue. You can also adjust the desaturate, saturate depending on when you actually make it more desirable. Before and the after, general before and after. Make all these adjustments keeping in mind the color present in the image. I try to push them here and there until you get this stuff called color harmony in the image. We'll be talking more about color harmony in future videos. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because these are some of the fundamentals you need to understand in color grading in order to make your color pleasant, or use colors to tell a particular story or set a particular mood in an image. So subscribe, like this video as we continue to make further adjustments. Come adjust the contrast. We now go to Photoshop to finish off the process. Come to the adjustment layer here or here, depending on how your workspace is arranged, and look for hue saturation. Then here we can adjust some other stuff. We go more in depth into how to use hue saturation to adjust your colors in a previous video. You can check the channel for that particular video. In the cyan, make some adjustment here and there. Also in the blue. One of the most powerful thing about an adjustment layer is the max layer. This you can use to max out the effect of your color grading from where you don't want it to affect, and leave it where you want it to affect. So right here on the max layer, you make sure your foreground is black if you want to max out, or white if you want to review the effect. So we'll just make it black now. Click on your brush adjustment layer, increase your brush size using the bracket key, and then paint out this effect from the skin. This is the before, this is the after, the before and after for that, and this is the general before and the after. Let's see where we came from and where we currently at. So you can see how powerful the color grading panel is. Check out our channel for more amazing videos on color grading, on retouching, and every other photo related stuff. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel, putting out more amazing stuff. You can check our Telegram channel where we put out free resources, and the link to that is on our Instagram homepage, which is currently linked in the description. There's a link to our link tree where you see the Telegram channel and other free photography related resources, so you can check them out. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video.